Hi and welcome back to my channel. This is Sandeep. I hope you guys are doing great. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create load balancer in Azure portal. Alright, let's get started. Now I'm on Azure portal. So first of all, we need to create two virtual machines. I'm going to create a new resource group. Okay. And limit as VM1. Region will be Central India, and I will need availability set. Currently I do not have any availability set, so I'm going to create a new availability set and name it as is 1. Update domain. Phone is enough. Okay. Trusted machine image Windows server. Okay. And you have to give administrator account details, username and password. To select the inbound ports, we will need mainly will need HTTP, and then go to disk networking. Okay, so this is the default virtual network we have. We can go with this one. I don't have to create a new virtual network, so I will go with the default one, and this is the default subnet IP, and yeah, basic. Okay, management, monitoring, advanced, tags, review, and create. All right, let's create the virtual machine. Okay, the deployment is in progress. It will take some time to be deployed. Let's wait for a couple of more minutes. I'm going to pause the video while it is getting deployed. Alright guys, so the deployment is now processed. Let's go to resources, and I'm going to connect to this virtual machine. Just open remote desktop connection. Administrator details. It is still loading. Meanwhile, I'll create another virtual machine. So this is the second virtual machine I'm going to create. Resource group, let's learn. VM2, Central India, availability set. I need to select the one which we just created, AS1. Everything is perfect. Administrator details. Then networking. Yeah, networking, we need to select the same one. Okay, right. And inbound port details. Okay, looks perfect. Management, monitoring. We'll keep everything as it is. Just create. Okay, now in the virtual machine I need to install the web server. Next, scroll down. Okay, I need to add this feature. Next, install. Okay, while it is installing, let's check the status of the virtual machine. Okay, so the deployment is in progress. Let's see. Okay, it is still in progress. Okay. Let's pause the video while the process is getting completed. Alright guys, so the second virtual machine is also deployed. Let's go to resources and let's check the status. Alright, so the feature has been added. Okay, close it. And whenever we are installing web server, by default we'll get a website. Let's just open this. Okay, this PC, Windows 7. Okay, so this is the website which is created. Alright guys, so this is the website which is created by default. Okay. Now let's also log into this one. This is the second virtual machine. And we are also going to install a web server feature in the second virtual machine as well. What happened? Okay, I need to copy this public address. Okay. Okay, it's taking some time. Okay. Let's go to first virtual machine. Okay, I'll just copy this address and I'll just try to open the website. You can see that we can access the web server, right? This is the website, and we also need to, okay, it is still getting loaded. Okay, we also need to install the feature as well here. The server manager is loading. It is still loading. Alright, it's loaded now. Okay, we'll follow the same procedure which we did in the first virtual machine. Next. We are going to install this add feature. Next. I'm going to pause the video while it is getting installed. Alright guys, so the feature has been installed on second virtual machine as well. Let's just open it. Okay. This is the this is the website. This is the website. Let's try to access it. And we are going to add a text. VM2. Okay. This is VM2. Let's refresh. Alright, for identification we can we just named it as VM2, and for this one we'll name it as VM1. Okay. Is done. Okay, now I'm going to copy the public IP address for virtual machine 2. Okay, so you can see that we can access the website from both the virtual machines, right? If you refresh, You can see this is for VM1, this is for VM2. All right, now we are going to create load balancer. Okay, go to home, load balancer, create a load balancer, resource group, let's learn, load balancer 1. We are going with standard SKU, and it is going to be public, and it will be regional. Front-end IP configuration, we need to create a front-end IP configuration. Okay, we need to create a new one. Everything looks perfect. Just click on OK, then add this. Okay, now we are going to create backend rules. Add backend rule, name it load balancer 1 backend rule, and this is the virtual machine IP address, and we are going to select the virtual machines we just created for the backend pool, and this is the second one. All right, now we are going to save it, and yeah, everything looks perfect. All right, validation is also passed. Just click on create. Let's wait while it is getting deployed. Alright guys, so deployment is ready, and we need to still make some adjustment. Alright, and if you click on see more, you will see this is the public IP address for the load balancer. Now we need to create health probe, add, everything looks perfect. Let's save. Load balancing rule, add, load balancing rule, front end we just created already, backend is also created. It will be TCP, and the port will be 80. Health probe, this one, and everything looks perfect. Okay, just save. Alright, so looks like the load balancer is now created. Go to overview. Okay, I'm going to copy this one. Open a tab. Alright, now you can see that the traffic is getting routed, and it is now showing virtual machine 2. If I refresh, okay, let's see. Okay, it is still showing virtual machine 2. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just stop the virtual machine. Okay, okay, let's wait while the virtual machine is getting stopped. I'm going to pause the video. Alright guys, so the second virtual machine is now stopped, as you can see here, Okay, let's go here, let's refresh. Okay, let's, okay, what I'll do, I'll try to just, all right, now you can see that now the traffic is getting routed to the first virtual machine, because virtual machine 2 is currently not available. So as you can see that the load balancer is distributing the traffic equally to both the virtual machines, right? All right, so this is how we create load balancer in Azure portal. All right guys, if you found this video helpful, please do give it a thumbs up and please do subscribe to my channel for more such educational content. All right guys, see you in the next video. Till then, take care and stay happy.